Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis, as this is the intraday for Bitcoin to see what happened on the 1-hour chart here and 15-minute chart, and to assess of course the situation for the next move here. So for Bitcoin, we are looking here at our 1, 2 and then wave 3. In case we are looking for wave 4 here, well, it's a little bit very deep wave 4, I would say very close to the invalidation, where we have of course our wave 1. It is not allowed to interfere with it, and that it means of course an invalidation in case it is taken. However, what we saw here is a definite of course a zigzag, right? So as I mentioned in the daily today, that a zigzag might be of course also a possibility for a wave 1 in a diagonal, and especially that we took the invalidation after, meaning nothing is impulsive 1, 2, 3. Wave 4 already took the zone 1, and that means of course turning it into the wave 1 potentially as diagonal in case we are of course in a diagonal. And then currently we're looking at another diagonal as a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, wave A, B, and a C for your wave 3, and then 4 and a 5. This might still be of course unfolding as a diagonal toward the downside. In case this happens, of course, that means we might seek, of course, a deeper correction. Don't forget, of course, in the 90K 972 is our invalidation here for this impulse toward the upside, meaning, of course, once we take this price, it is a confirmation that nothing can still be, of course, pushing for higher over there. So we gotta be careful with it, of course. Now, basically, if we are looking as well for this 15-minute chart, I would say that the wave B can be very fast here because we are in a zigzag, so we might be in a B and a C there, of course, for a wave 3. And so we might see something higher and then pushing for lower, unless, of course, finished 3 waves here can be, of course, wave A, B, C, D, and E as well. The triangle still a potential scenario in case that only the 886 will be taken here, as you can see, and this of course, if we will see of course something like this, that means of course we are still corrective and we're pushing for higher there. So I'm gonna keep of course the triangle as well here possibility as well, just to remind it as a reminder that it might still be of course playing here as a wave 4, and then still looking for the next target 97K 500 or 450 and around it. Now on the KGT indicator as well, we can see clearly of course on the lower time frame we have a lot of bearish pressure, as you can see a lot of signals here in confluence with the price toward the downside, and this of course it is a convergence here, and that means of course confirmation for lower. The bullish here or is invalidated, yeah, so we don't have any kind of bullish signals. You need a divergence with the price and the CVD line here to call something to push for higher. Now on the 1-minute chart you can see that we have double signals as well on the 1 minute, which is also a good signal, but don't forget that this is required right now as a wave B, or at least of course in a triangle, in case this is unfolding something for longer. Yeah, so I'm looking for something for higher right now, and then of course pushing for lower later on. Yeah, so the things are not really nice here going on after of course this wave 3, honestly, especially of course the timing is very long based on the wave 2, or I would say it has reached the double time. But in case maybe if the price takes a low here without taking the invalidation, it can of course push for higher again. Yeah, so taking this low just simply with few cents and push for higher, it can happen many times. It happened before, but yeah, I mean, don't forget, it's very, very close for invalidation there. Yep, so that was it for Bitcoin the intraday. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.